Hey guys, welcome back to Michelle's STEM Journey. I'm Michelle and I'm here today with another AMC Problem of the Week video. This week's video comes from the year 2019, 10B, Problem 13, and it deals with algebra. I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. The problem states, what is the sum of all real numbers x for which the median of the numbers 4, 6, 8, 17, and x is equal to the mean of those 5 numbers? So it's trying to figure out the value for x, and I'm going to figure out the mean first. So the mean is basically just the average, so it'll just be 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 17 plus x over 5, and this is equal to 35 plus x over 5. So that is the mean, and then we want the median to be equal to this. Well, what are the possible choices for the median? Well, since this is already in least to greatest order, we can just start with what's given. So 4, 6, 8, 17, and x. I'm just going to assume that x is greater than all these numbers, so it goes last. And remember, when you're trying to find the median, you have to order them from least to greatest. Well, the median is the middle. So the middle number here is 8. So that means that the median could be 8. But then x could also be greater than 8 but less than 17. Well, what is the median here? The median is still 8. So essentially, because there are only 5 numbers, we can just move x from it being the greatest to the least, and then we can figure out the median for each. So for example, x could be greater than 6 but less than 8, so it places it in the middle. Well, here we see that the median is x now. And then it could be greater than 4 but less than 6. So we would place it here, and the median here is 6. And then if it's less than all of these numbers, then it would go first. But we see that the median is still 6. So that means that there are only 3 possible choices for the median here. It doesn't matter what x is. It's either x, 6, or 8. So if the median is 8, I'm just going to start with this. And that means that we want the mean, 35 plus x over 5. We want this to be equal to 8. So that means that x is equal to 5. Well, if x is equal to 5, then that's not possible, because then if we place it from least to greatest, it'd be 4, 5, 6, 8, 17. Well, we see here that the median here is 6. So that's not possible because we want the median to be 8. So the median could not be 8. And then when the median is x, we would let the mean 35 plus x over 5, so that equal to x. And we would get x is equal to 35 over 4, which is 8.75. And then we could put this back into this sequence to get 4, 6, 8, 8.75, and 17. Well, we see that the median for this sequence is 8. Well, that's also not possible because we want the median to be x, and in this case, x is 8.75. So that leaves us with the third case, which is 6. So 35 plus x over 5 is equal to 6. Then x is equal to negative 5. Placing negative 5 into the sequence, we get negative 5, 4, 6, 8, 17. Well, this is correct because the median here is 6. So that means that the only possible answer for x is when x is negative 5. So there's only one possible answer, so the answer is A, negative 5.